Today in this video, I will share very easy DIY face masks that you can easily prepare at home with just 2 ingredients. I have prepared different face masks to address different skin issues, so make sure you watch this video till then. Start with our DIY. Number 1 for skin brightening. For this remedy, you will need raw milk and a few slices of ripe tomato. Take some raw milk in a bowl. In this, dip round thin slices of tomato. Leave it for few minutes like this, and your DIY is ready. Take these slices of tomato and start to rub it on your face. Do this rubbing for few minutes, and then leave it for 20 to 25 minutes on your face. After that, you can rinse your face with cold water. Now coming to DIY number 2, that is for skin tightening. For this pack, you will need aloe vera gel and coffee powder. In a bowl, take 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. In this, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, and mix it well. Your DIY is ready now. Apply a thin layer of this all over your face. Leave it for 15 minutes, and then wipe it off. Coming to DIY number 3, that is for glowing skin. To make this pack, you will need thick yogurt and honey. In a clean bowl, take 1 spoon of thick yogurt. In this, add 1 spoon of raw honey, and mix it well. Your DIY is ready now. Apply this back all over your clean face. Leave for 15 minutes, and then rinse your face with cold water. Now coming to our last DIY of this video, that is for oily skin. Bake 1 spoon of honey in a bowl. In this, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it well. Apply this on your face, and let it sit for 20 minutes on your skin. After that, you can rinse your face with ice cold water.